Welcome back to the channel, good friends. Brian from Apex Detail. Today we're going to take a look at the BIGBOI Electric FoamR and the BIGBOI Electric Sprayer. These are battery lithium ion powered sprayers, so no need to pump, no need to pressurize whatsoever. It's all done with just the squeeze of the trigger after a good charge, of course. Let's take a look at the BIGBOI FoamR18 first. This unit here, 129 or 139, depending on where you look. The R18 is a 1.8 liter bottle capacity. Runtime of approximately 60 minutes. This can both spray and foam. It has two nozzles, comes with two nozzles, the USB charging port, and a rubber grommet or seal. Charge time, 2.5 hours from empty. Self-priming. No need to pump whatsoever. It has an LED charging indicator to let you know when the charge is running low and when it's fully charged. A closer look at the unit itself. We have the trigger. We have a relief valve to depressurize the system. This nozzle here is a spray nozzle, and you can adjust it to a fine mist or a fan, to a stream, or you can swap out nozzles, switch them, and move over to the foaming nozzle. Down below you have the charging port and the power button and the LED indicator light. So what you hear running there is a pump, and it will pressurize the canister until it forces out your mixture, no matter what, if you're using a rinseless or maybe a wheel cleaner. You can use this for cleaning cars, car washes, rinseless, or shampoo, clean wheels, wheel wells, calipers. You can use this for paint protection film, wraps, tinting, many applications. It already comes with a little bit of a charge, so you can make sure it works, but we want to fully charge this and get it to work as soon as possible. When you plug it in, the USB port, you'll see a few indicators light up and start blinking, and when they are solid, you know you have a full charge. I'm not going to wait that long. Let's take it outside, and we're going to test out the sprayer first. Again, you can fan it out, a fine mist, or you can have a stream come out of it. Now you need to let it take a little bit of time, pressurize the canister, and then work out any air bubbles. So this could take a few minutes. Just be patient. There are, of course, pros and cons with every tool, every product within the detailing community. I'm going to share them all with you today. What I like so far, the pros: no need to prime, no need to pump, no need to pressurize. It feels good ergonomically, feels good in your hands. It feels like it's nice and strong. How long they last, their durability, time will only tell. That's going to be subjective as to how or who uses them. We are really rough on our equipment, so we're a great test. As you can see here, it reaches, once it's pressurized, it reaches out a good 4 or 5 feet. It seems to take, however, another con, quite a long time to work out those air bubbles for a nice steady stream. Also really neat, once you push the power button, it'll keep spraying until you depressurize the system or lift up on the relief valve at the top of the canister. Let's switch over from the spray nozzle to the foaming nozzle. So another pro to add to the pros and cons is it's versatile. You can use it to spray, you can use it to foam. There are many applications that you could put this thing to use. Okay, unlike the spray nozzle, with the foaming nozzle, let it pressurize a little bit and then use the button on top where your thumb is, and that will release the foam. And you can absolutely just use it for wheel wells, wheels, and calipers to foam them up and use your favorite foaming wheel cleaner, or you could foam the whole car with your favorite car shampoo or pre-wash. And as you can see here, it's capable of producing thick, shaving cream-like foam on your vehicle or your wheels. And just like with the sprayer nozzle, with the FOAMR nozzle, you can turn off the power, squeeze the button, and still, as long as the canister is pressurized, have a nice, thick, shaving cream-like foam coming out of the canister. A lot of pros in a row there. Let's throw in a con. These, just like all of the lithium-ion powered battery-operated units, they are a little underwhelming. Slightly underwhelming. Seems like there could be more volume for the money that you're paying for these. Let's switch over from the BIGBOI R18 to the little sprayer here. This is the BIGBOI SprayerR10. This is a much smaller unit, a 1.0 liter bottle. Runtime, 90 minutes. It's a spray and mist option. No foamer for this one. Charge time of 120 minutes. No priming, no pumping whatsoever. And again, this also has the LED indicator. Comes with the charging port and the cable, and the charging port is up top near the nozzle on this unit. And just like the other unit, this one can be used for car washing and detailing, wheels, wheel calipers, window cleaning, tinting, paint protection film, indoor use, outdoor use, home and automobile. Let's charge this one up, and this will have a red LED indicator, and when it's fully charged, that will switch over to blue. It doesn't take long. We have it switched over to blue. We can now get to work. This has a detachable top half with a flexible draw hose with a little bit of a weight, which means if you turn this upside down, it should still be able to spray on its side, upside down. Yes, you can of course use wheel cleaners, window cleaners, shampoos, rinseless washes. Just try and stay away from using any types of acids, straight alcohol, gasoline, anything flammable or explosive from the unit. Unlike the R18, the little stream sprayer seems to be unimpeded by air pockets, and the stream reaches out pretty far. Seems like a good 10 feet, 12 feet. From where I'm standing, that's a good 10 to 12 feet. And as mentioned, can be sprayed with the bottle on its side, upside down, on an angle. Okay, there's a quick demonstration of the R18, that is the foamer and sprayer, and then the little R10, which is just a sprayer. And again, sharing the pros and cons with both units. I'll put a link down below so you can look into them further. This has been Brian from Apex Detail. I'll catch you in the next video.